Hey, I'm here with another update. My last video was about 11 months ago where I talked about my maintenance, what I had to do to my car after driving over 200,000 miles. But now today I'm at exactly 263,679 miles that I'm reading from my odometer right now. But I'll give you guys another update. What have I had to do from 200,000 to 262,000 now? So at only thing I had to do was something came up at about 219,278 miles. I finally had to do actually AC repair. And what I do with my air conditioning repair is that I had to finally get a new condenser. My first time I ever had to buy or get a new condenser when they diagnosed my car. The air wasn't really, I noticed the air wasn't blowing as cold. Usually I just have to change the air filter usually, but this time was the actual condenser. So that was only $310. They also charged me an extra $553.50 for removal and replacement of the condenser, and also $205 for general diagnosis to even figure out at first what it even is. So that come out to total for $1,153.50. So I wrote this down so I make sure I won't forget to tell you guys exactly what stuff costs and exactly what they noted down in my invoice. Also what happened at that point, my trunk stopped working, so stopped lifting open. So I do Uber a lot, so that trunk had to been open, man, at least probably 50,000 times without the car, something like, I don't know. But anyways, they found there was a damaged lift gate harness, and there was a part needed for the deck lid, and it included a low voltage circuit and integrity check. So that came out to be $258.60. And then the third thing I had repaired that came up was a window switch. So for some reason the switch is here, as you can see here, wouldn't open the rear passenger side, so this door. So anytime they can't just fix one little switch, so I had to fix the whole switch. So that cost $512.50. So they found 2 broken amps, 3-pinch wires on that LF door harness. Also I have my doors, already got the aftermarket doors. I have the Lamborghini doors on it, so I don't know, maybe that could have speeded up the process or not, but that's pretty good for after 219,000 miles. So those are 3 things I had to do. So that total for all 3 of those things were $1,956.58. But as you guys saw in my other video, you can see the other repairs I had to do. Like I had to do the new battery. That didn't cost too much, at least in comparison to what I saved, especially since I got the car. When I bought the car, they had a promotion of, free supercharging for a year. Then I had people bought my referral code, so I had more free supercharging miles. So you will see, in that video exactly when, how much I spent, how much repairs I had to do, and, and also why I'm still excited and really glad I got the car when I did, and trying to keep this baby growing forever until like 500,000 miles. But other than that, guys, I'll keep you updated as any more repairs, anything happen. But so far so good. I'm at 262,000 or 263,679 miles as I'm making this video. If you have any questions, comment below. I will definitely always try to answer your questions and get back. But that's it so far. See you in the next video.